Gender-affirming care for Rady Children's patients will continue, at least for now.
The state sued the hospital after it announced it would stop providing those services amid threats of federal funding cuts. News 8's Abby Black has more on today's court agreement for us. Abby?
Well, a San Diego judge is confirming and keeping that gender-affirming care available at Rady Children's Hospital for now. In court today, the state attorney general and Rady Children's agreed to extend a temporary restraining order protecting access to that care for the next 6 months. The order was also amended, now explicitly covering puberty blocker implants as long as the hospital deems them medically necessary. The next major court date won't be until January, when a judge will hear the full merits of the state's case, including whether Rady Children's violated a contract to provide gender-affirming care after merging with Children's of Orange County. Now, there's also a separate class action lawsuit filed on behalf of 1,900 Rady Children's patients with different legal claims centered on discrimination.
Our case is about the fact that Rady discriminated against our clients based on their gender, based on disability, based on gender identity, and that is against the law in California. So our case alleges Rady violated California law, which protects our clients from walking into a hospital and being turned away because of who they are.
Lori Rifkin is the litigation director at Impact Fund and is co-representing those patients. She's urging Rady Children to proactively notify patients who may not know care is still available under the court order. Now, a judge will hear arguments on that second case. That's July 17th. But the judge made it very clear that he will not take up the discrimination case until the state's case is resolved. So we'll hear more on both next month. Rady Children's is not commenting outside of the courtroom today.
Abby, so explain to people, how did we get here?
Well, earlier this year, Rady Children said that it would stop offering gender-affirming treatments amid threats from the Trump administration to cut Medicare and Medicaid funding. Now, the state attorney general sued, claiming that the hospital was ending services unlawfully, and then the class action followed shortly after.
A lot of moving parts and big legal questions here. Abby Black reporting for us. Thank you, Abby.